Hello dear students, we continue with determinants, cofactor and minor. Okay, so I will be first teaching you cofactor, what is a cofactor and what is a minor, and then we start with exercise 4.4 which is based on that. Okay, so minor. So there I have found out minor for a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 2 determinant. So minor of a 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, so it can be found out like this. Say I write minor of 1 1 means the element 1 1. Okay, so which is the element 1? First row, first column, 1 1. So now what you have to do? Leave first row and first column you leave, and whatever element remains, that becomes its minor. Then minor of 1 2. So first row and second column you leave, so whatever remains, it becomes the minor. Same way M21, second row, first column, that is 6 minus 6. Same way M22, second row, second column, which is 5. Okay, so these are minors. Now for a 3 by 3 matrix determinant, this is a 3 by 3 determinant. Its minor is as like this. Say we say M11, so first row and first column you leave first row and first column, and whatever remains, write that in determinant form, and this determinant you evaluate. 9 4s are 36, 6 5s are 30, answer is 6. Same way M12, first row, second column. Okay, so first row and second column you eliminate, and whatever remains, write it in determinant form. Okay, and evaluate. The 0 9s are 0, and this is minus 42 and minus sign, so plus 42, so this is plus 42. One more I will evaluate for you. Like this we can find for all, we have to find for all elements. This is M, say 1 3 I will find out. So first row and third column, so whatever remains, write in determinant form. Okay, so this is 0 7 4s are 28, so minus 28, and this, so this is plus 28. Okay, so this is M13. Like that same way you can find M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. Okay, then this is how we find out minors. Now cofactors. Now cofactors we can find out only when we have found out minors. Without cofactors we cannot find out minors, so we need the cofactors. So for this reason I have taken this same example, 3 by 3 matrix, the same one, because its cofactor, its minors I have already found out here. 3 minors I have already here. One more thing, cofactors denoted by the letter Aij, whereas minors denoted by the letter Mij. Okay, keep that in mind. I stands for rows, J stands for number of columns. Okay, now I will first find out cofactor of this element A11. So this can be written as minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Why we take 1 plus 1 here? Because it is 1 1 element, so number of rows plus number of columns into M11. This is the formula. Formula is Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is a standard formula. Okay, so minus 1 raised to, this is 2, into M11. See, M11 here we found out it is 6. So this is minus 1 square into 6, that is 1 into 6, that is 6. Then we find A12, cofactor of A12. So A12 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Why? Because first row, second column. 1 plus 2 and m12. m12 is here, it is 42. So minus 1 raised to 3 into 42. This is minus 1 into 42, that is minus 42. And this one I will find out for you one more. Because of less space, children, I won't be able to show you all, but this is the same procedure you have to follow to find all the 9 elements, all the 9 cofactors. This is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 m13, which is minus 1 raised to 4, and m13 is here, that is 28. So it is 1 into 28. So your answer is 28. Understood? So this is how we find the factors. Okay.